Hi everyone! Indulge in the delightful flavor of freshly baked muffins with my favorite recipe. These muffins are soft, moist, and tender, making them the perfect treat for any time of day. Whether it's for a hearty breakfast, a quick lunch, or a relaxing tea or coffee break. Join me in the kitchen and discover how easy it is to whip up this delicious treat. So let's get started. Mix to combine 1 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of white granulated sugar. Then add 2 eggs room temperature, one at a time. By the way, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. Another bowl will mix together the dry ingredients. 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Gradually incorporate the dry ingredients and alternate with ½ cup of milk. Then add ½ cup of raisins, or you can use any berry of choice. After that, put the butter into muffin cups. I use muffin pans lined with paper cups. Bake in a preheated oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until the toffee comes out lean from the center. Our muffins are ready. Let it cool before serving and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.